Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. On this my channel I share a lot of ideas on how to make money online, how to hustle online, how to make money from the comfort of your home, and sometimes I do share a lot of ideas on skills acquisitions. I teach us how to create, how to make some things. Today I'll be showing you a platform that you can just perform a little task on social media, like maybe you share videos or informations on the social media and earn some percent. And on this platform too, you'll be able to sell data for your people and earn a lot of profits. On this also platform too, you can also buy and sell, as you can see here. So now selling on a Hotkeys market. Buy top quality product at amazing discount on a Hotkeys market. Okay, this is affiliate marketing. So on these very places you can see perform social task and earn daily. So on this very place you earn daily by performing social tasks such as you follow, you like, you comment, you share, you retweet, you write a review for an app, and also make a WhatsApp post. You will earn depending on how much is placed for the bid. So let's go into this place and see. You click on get started here. You say note that you follow people and pages, you get 3 naira per follow. Okay, follow accounts on Audiomack, get 10 naira per follow. Okay, like a post, you get 3 naira just for liking a post. The normal things you do and nobody pays you for it. This is what this Hotkeys platform is going to pay you for it. Okay, then here says like and follow Facebook page, you get 3 naira. Okay, subscribe to YouTube channel, you get 3 naira per subscriptions. You get 30 naira per subscriptions. You view post comment on YouTube, you get 20 naira per view and comments. Post comments, you get 15 naira per comments on post from selected social media accounts and earn 15 naira per comments. The more post you comment on, the more you earn. Okay, share post on Facebook, get 10 naira. Retweet, get 10 naira on Twitter. Post on WhatsApp, get 20 naira. Join WhatsApp group, get 15 naira per group. Okay, so Google Play app review, you get 30 naira. Apple Store review, you get 16 naira per review. Okay, so let's quickly go into this and see how really these things really works. Okay, and the second one here says boot social portfolio. The second one here says boost a social portfolio. Okay, so what you do now here is that if you want to get followers on your Facebook, WhatsApp, or Instagram, Twitter, if you want to get followers, you get your followers here. You can get a lot of followers. Okay, let's click there and see. Say buy real followers, 5 naira per follower. You pay 5 naira, then you secure a follower. Each follower is 5 naira. Okay, and if you want subscribers on your YouTube channel, are you looking for subscribers? You're looking for 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, just come to this platform, pay 15 naira per subscription, and you get a lot of followers. YouTube views, like and comments, 30 naira per view and comments. Okay, so there are a lot of them here. Advert on WhatsApp and many more. Okay, so this is one of the second most important thing here. So the third one here says start your airtime data business today. Okay, in this very platform too, you can start selling a data and an airtime today and start making a living. Okay, you start this. You can even make a little flyer, put it on your status, on your DP, and your friends, before you know, your friends will start requesting for it, and they start sending you the cash and you start sending them the data. Okay, it's very simple. Before you know, you get to make 10,000, 15,000, 30,000 a week. It's very, very simple. So on this place, okay, let's take a look at this. You can click on get started to start. Okay, 1,000 Glo airtime, you get 40 naira cashback. 100 naira Glo airtime, 100 naira M10 airtime, you get 2 naira cashback. So and so forth. 5 naira, you get 490. You know. So as for the data, you can see Airtel 2 gig data 30 days. It's 1,180. You can go ahead and sell it 1,500. 200 naira airtime, you get it 196. Okay, that is for this. Let's go back to the other one, buy and sell. This is one of the most fascinating part of this website. Okay, do you want to buy? Do you have anything to buy? Okay, if you want to buy anything you want, start shopping here. If you want to sell anything, perhaps maybe you secure a computer a month ago, 2 months ago, and you want to sell it. Kind of is no longer useful to you, or you are out of cash, you want to sell it, you can just come to this place. Let's click on here. Okay, on this place you must sign up first. You can just come to this place, post it up, and write your price. An interested buyer will just locate you and buy it. And one of the most fascinating thing about this website again is that if you refer per person, you earn 500 naira instantly. Okay, you earn 500 naira instantly if you refer anybody sign up using your link, you get 500 naira instantly. Okay, manage and edit your profile. Here you can just take care of your profile and many more. Okay, so right now, right away, and before that, I'm going to leave my own referral links at the description section of this video, so please use my referral link to sign up, so that we'll keep earning any. Imagine if you refer like 10 people in a week, that is 5,000. If you refer 100 people, you know how much you're going to get. You get a lot of money. So start working gradually. So at this junction now, we are going to go through the sign up process. Okay, so I have an account here already, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to sign up together so that you see how everything works. So you click on sign up here at the top right hand corner. So all you just need to do is put your full name. Write in your full name. So on these very places, you're going to see my referral here. Okay, you're going to see my referral links here. So if I forget, let me sign up using my referral link. Okay, so I'm signing up using my referral link. So let's go over there. Signing up using my referral link. You have already been referred by @Victory King. This field cannot be edited, so I'll sign up. Okay, enter your username Sarah Amos. Okay, then email victory at gmail.com. Okay, so here we choose password. You can always edit your password anytime, and you click on create an account. Please include an at okay. We have made a little mistake here. At okay, so we can say create an account. So it will introduce us to another interface, of which we're still waiting. Okay, it's telling us that enter two-factor, so a verification email has been sent to us. So let's quickly check. And sent to King Victory. So we go through there to check. Okay, it's yet to come. So please check spam or what have you to get the email. So we have not seen it. Let's check again. Let's check the spam and see if there's anything of that nature there. Is it here? No. Okay. It's still not here yet. It's not here yet. So we'll hold on a little. The moment it's here, we'll continue. So the moment this arrives, what you just need to do, you put the code here and click on continue. I have already created an account, but I want us to do this together. I just created an account a few minutes ago. So we check again. Okay, so the email is being verified. It will now bring you to this place. Then the next thing you do, check the gender. I'm a male. Where should I choose here? Choose your states from here. Choose your local government from here. Then you will have to select your state before selecting the local government. Okay, which I have done. Set location. So okay, you are almost there. Here you put the picture, your profile picture, of which I'm skipping that for now. In this place, you take your date of birth. I'm going to just choose random information. Okay. Going to choose random information. Yeah, it's 95. This place you select your religion. Sarah Amos, you can just choose one. Continue. Boom, your account is ready. As simple as this. Okay, so from here now you can now check out all those things I explained to you earlier. You can check out. You see, someone is selling shoes here. This is where you can boost your social portfolio if you want people to sign up, view, or as I explained earlier. This is where you can perform tasks. This is where you can buy data. You see, buy airtime or data on Hotgate at up to 10% discount and sell to a friend and family at a normal price. Here you can post your product if you have anything to sell. So here you refer, and you earn 500 naira instant, and for every transactions they made you earn 20% commissions. Okay, so one thing about this here, this our current balance is 0 for now. One thing about this, you have to activate your membership with just 1000 naira. Okay, you activate your membership before you can start earning on Hotgate. Click the button below to activate your membership to buy followers and minimum. Okay, if you want to activate your membership now, you will have to first fund your wallet account. Okay, so if you want to fund your wallet account, what you simply just do is click on fund. If you click on fund, you put 1000 naira here, say fund wallet. Okay, then you fill in your information and follow this process. The moment you fund your wallet, it will automatically reflect. It will reflect on your wallet immediately. Okay, there is no delay to that. It will reflect here immediately. So if you want to withdraw, what you will just do simply, before you click on this withdraw, you will have to fill in your bank informations. You go to your profile. So the first thing that you just do, you just go to your profile. If you go to your profile and fill in your bank informations, that's all. So this is it. I believe this tutorial is helpful. So this brings us to the end of this very video. I'll be leaving my referral link at the description section of this video and also at the comment sections, so that you can use it to kind of sign up. So thank you so much for being with me, and I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to smash the like buttons, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that we can keep Excel together. Thank you so much. Bye.